Gonna test this bad boy today. Hook it up to my power washer, and I'm gonna try and see how this sidewalk turns out. Should be fun. I like the results. This was just after one pass. It got a lot of that dirt and mold and crap out. I'm going to do a couple more passes and see how the sidewalk looks after it dries. So, Greenworks Service Cleaner Universal Pressure Washer Attachment. I give it a 3 out of 4 stars. You know, $30. Available on Amazon. I'm going to leave a link to it in the description. Thank you for watching, guys.